Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to be going over our weekly outlook. But first, we're going to be going over the trades that I took last week, and we're going to just be explaining that. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Um, Last week I was really busy last week. I had lots of events to get to, but I was on the road and I was desperately trying to catch the moves. We had news, we have NFP and CPI, lots of news last week, and I was really trying to catch them on the road, and I ended up taking 3 losses. Now, this first loss, I'm not even going to lie, this first loss was the most painful because um, it was as a result of spread. I got into the trade and the broker got me in way below my entry price, and when the price was coming back almost halfway to my stops, it was already at my daily loss limit, so I just closed the trade manually. And when everything had died down, I entered again and it got stopped out. The NZD USD trade, I tried to trade the Wednesday news. I think it was FOMC or something, but I have had this short bias on the XXS USD pairs for a while, so I was just trying to catch it in the lower time frames, and it just didn't work out, so I left it. So that's for my account. So let's go into the trades that we have for this week briefly. First on my list, and I think this is my favorite pair of the week, is the USD card. USD card is bullish. It has been bullish, and the market has, even on the weekly time frame, see the shifts. The market has come back and is retesting this area over to the daily time frame. You see the bullish momentum clearly: high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Broke up into new highs. Tested here as a higher low before, and it has come back into this region. So this week I'll be exploiting for rejections to join this trend to push the market up. Now, the reason why I'm not concerned or feel overly bad about the loss I took last week is because if you look at my previous my phase 1 challenge, I took significantly more losses. I was down over 5%, and I was able to pass the challenge in like 2 trades. So I know my win rate is high. All I just need to do is keep following the trend and keep trading my strategy. So I know with 1 or 2 good trades, I will be able to come out of the loss and get back into profits. So moving on, Euro NZD. I got a really nice trade here on Euro NZD from this region. On the weekly time frame, they're still bullish, but it's kind of like in a messy range. But we're back at this area of value. So if I find the appropriate entries, I'm going to be getting in here and try to catch this move to the upside. Trying to catch the continuation of the uptrend. So I'm bullish on Euro and NZD, even though the trend is pretty shaky. USD CHF, same bias as the USD card, or in the bullish uptrend. It has come back to a higher low region. I'm going to be looking here for bullish confirmations to ride this trade to the upside. So I'm bullish on USD CHF. AED/JPY, I'm bullish on AED/JPY. It has been bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It has come back to retest this region. In fact, I should already be in this trade. I'm going to set an alert here live. If the market pulls back into this region, I'll be getting in longs, riding this market all the way to the upside. So I'm very bullish on AUD/JPY. USD/JPY, same story. It has pushed up, it has pulled back into this region. I'm going to be looking this week on the lower time frames to get rejections here to buy this market to the upside. Bullish on USD/JPY. CAD JPY as well. CAD JPY has broken up and has pulled back into an area of value. So I'm going to be monitoring this trade on the lower time frames to look for rejections to buy this market to the upside. USD JPY, same story, bullish. It has broken up out of this resistance and is back here retesting it. So I'm going to be looking at this pair, during the week to see if we can get the bullish rejections to continue this trade, this trend to the upside. Very simple. Euro USD was one of the pairs that messed me up last week because I was pretty sure the downtrend was going to continue. If you look at this clearly, you'd see left head, right shoulder, breakout, retest of the neckline. And honestly, if I had traded my strategy the way I was supposed to, I was not going to take this loss. I was supposed to get in somewhere here, but I missed it because I was on the road. Now I was trying to catch the continuation so bad. I was going down to the 15 minutes, 5 minutes to find entries to short here, so I'll be able to catch the move all the way to this downside. When if I had taken these trades somewhere here, the worst that would have happened was I would have taken a break-even trade. But then again, let's not keep dwelling on that. To me, it's still bearish. It probably wants to come back up to these regions, but until the market comes and break below this level, I'm really not going to be interested because I do not like this kind of like bullish structure that is forming, pushing up. I'm sticking with the bearish bias and I'm going to wait for the market to break below all this structure, retest, and begin to head back down before getting interested in Euro USD. NZD USD. I also took a loss on this one, as I showed you guys on my MT4. I was trying to catch the continuation play here, and it got me burnt as well. But I'm still bearish on the pair. But right now, it has broken above this zone. I'm going to be waiting for it to break back below, come and clear this support level here, retest to continue taking the trade to the downside. GBP USD, same thing. But GBP USD, I'm not even going to lie, this rejection here, I like it, but I'm still going to wait for the market to come break below here, probably retest before I start looking for shorts again. The GBP card is at a 50-50 region because it has not yet taken out this high. And why is this important to me? The market can make the high, low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low. Made a double bottom, broke down, causing very structure. Now it has broke back and is retesting this region. For it to confirm to me that it wants to be in a bullish trend, it has to take out this high, probably retest this region and push up. This is what I'll be waiting for typically on the GBP card. So it's just on my watch list, but I'm not really going to be interested until this high is taken out. GBP JPY, of all the JPY pairs, GBP JPY has pulled back, into no man's land. So I'm either going to be waiting for GBP JPY to break above, retest, and push up, or come back down here and push up. This is a more unlikely scenario. I would not even want this to happen. I just want it to break above and retest and push up. But if it doesn't do that, I'll be taking it out of my watch list and I'll just be focusing on the cleaner JPY pairs. The Euro AUD is just too messy. It has broken out of this left head, right shoulder. The pullback was more than I would have liked, but it has broken back below, and if it comes back up to this region, this previous neckline, and rejects, I'll be looking for shorts all the way to the downside. Gold, on the higher time frames, like I've always been saying, gold is still bullish, but right now if you look closely you can see high, low, lower high and lower low. So on the intraday time frames, we are bearish. Um, so if we go over to the lower time frame, let me just break down gold. I will still be waiting for a cleaner, either break and retest, or break and retest of either one of these levels to short gold. But on the intraday time frame, we're looking like we're going to be making a bigger pullback. So just a matter of positioning yourself, appropriately to be able to capture the move. I don't think this consolidation is a nice place to sell. I want a big volume of a break and a retest to join the trend. AUD card is bullish. It has flipped bullish. You can see from this region: high, low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, equal lows, higher high, equal lows. Now it's looking up to a higher high. So AUD card can either retest here, but I prefer this previous support because there are more areas of interest in this particular point. One, I look at this as a fake out. 2, 3, this is just a mess, but I'll be monitoring AUD card for a form of a pullback to find where to capture the move to the upside. And the rest of the pairs are just not clean, and I only trade the clean trending pairs. Let me go and look at the Bitcoin market, because I spoke about Bitcoin when the price was still quite high. When we were still at this region, 67,000, I said that Bitcoin was going to fall all the way down to 63,918, and we did. And now we have closed below this region. The only way Bitcoin becomes bullish is if you come and take out this high over here, retest, then we know we're going back up. I really strongly hope it does that. Else, if Bitcoin comes and rejects here, this could be an area to short back all the way to the downside to the tune of 52,893. Okay, so again, we are at the 50-50 region. Bitcoin can either reject here and fall all the way down, or it can push up, break these highs, retest here, and move back all the way to the highs. So at this region here, we're going to be waiting and going to be looking for what the market is going to do in this coming week to know what our reaction is going to be in the trading markets. Okay, so that'll be it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video to your trader friends, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.